Welcome, guys. Welcome to another new episode. As you know, I go by the name DJ Cymphonic. This is our music studios. Today's episode, guys, we're gonna be looking after how to make your own melody. Yeah, you had me right. Your own melody. Okay, let's go.
Of course.
Okay, guys, without wasting off much of your time, let's just jump straight to it. One way, guys. Let's simply start our basic piano or maybe any keyboard. It's just to give the basic that what structure are you looking forward to create, right? Okay, let me just use here my rods. Probably these rods are for FL Studio. You can find it there on the packs under the folder instruments. You're gonna find these ones. Okay, let's just simply create the chords, guys, without wasting any time. Okay, which key should we go with? Specifically, I like to tweak a bit here, just to go specifically with maybe E. Okay, okay, okay. Let's say I go like this, then I go like this. Okay, let's handle like this. Okay. Let me take maybe 105 on the tempo. Okay. Okay. Eventually, let me not tweak your mind in a little bit. What Info was doing around here. Let me just stay here. I'll explain this on the other episode. Why am I choosing this other key here while I'm going to play like here? Okay, I'll explain this to you. Okay, let's use C now. Do, 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 do. Okay. Nice one. I think here I'll probably go with basically 3-2 as well. Excuse me. Oh, flip info. Okay. Probably yeah. Yes. Then I'll start off another same sequence using the same chord that I'm having here. Probably using the same sequence but exchanging these chords now. Fine, uqale ekuqaleni ufike ekugcineni, then uqale ekugcineni ufike ekuqaleni. Simple as that. Then I'm gonna stretch this one, right?
Perfect.
Okay. Da 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 da. Sounds so nice. Okay. Secondly, I need to have another keyboard that's gonna play on top, right? So it must sound a little bit stable like this and simple. Some other times the simplicity is the one, some other times the simplicity doesn't hit the way that we want the thing to hit, right? Okay, let's copy and paste this thing and here what we have. Then you need to take this one down. Okay. Do you hear this? Okay. Okay, let me take it here. Ding, ding, ding. Nope, probably yeah. Probably I need to take this one up here. Nope. Okay. Okay. Basically now we have our chords. Most of the time I normally spice my simple chord with a small vocal that is gonna play underneath my chords. Let me look for these chords, these vocals, then I'll come back to you fast as quick as I can. So yeah, as fast as I can. So now we have our vocal, or you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, let me make you hear this. Okay, let me take it down. Sound nice. Okay. Nice one. Right. Okay. Right now we need that one sound that's gonna probably lead most of the melody, right? That one specific sound that's gonna be leading most of the melody, right? Okay. Okay, let's transport this one to give it a right pitching timing, right? Okay. Okay, let's try to record this one and fix it while we have recorded that. Okay. Okay, flip, man. Okay. 1, 2, 3, let's go. I like that one. Let me use that one as well. Okay, should be here like this and a little bit like this. This one needs to come here. Okay, this one needs to come here as well. Nice. Okay. 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 All right. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Like, probably now you can have your own drums on top of this melody without downloading any melody, right? Hopefully, guys, you did enjoy this episode. Make sure you put that like and make sure you put that comment as well, guys. Make sure you let me know as well what to do next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Show me that love, please. Thank you.